No, you can't. That's the thing. That was all your money and all your lawyers. There's nothing you can do to get them.
My life insurance. It's nothing for you. Don't worry about it.
Turn around. I said turn around. Listen, if I hit you, I won't. I can't do that. What? What could you possibly have left to say? You've done enough. She does.
I told you to get off the topic.
Please tell me that you.
Alright, so I think this is the first time in this vlog that I'm talking, unless I threw in like the day before into this video. Not really sure, but I know that from filming today perspective, I did no talking. I was doing cleaning, I was getting the house ready because my brother was coming over to hang out with us, with him and my niece. So I just wanted to make sure, you know, that the house was nice and clean, and honestly, it needed a good cleaning anyway. But to be fair, I mean, I really didn't dive off into any crazy realm because I feel like I need to do a good deep clean, and by that I mean wipe down all of the crown molding, wipe down the walls, that kind of cleaning that honestly I just have to say I just don't normally do. I just don't. But you saw me like dust the blinds and stuff like that. But anyways, it's now like 7-ish o'clock and my brother and my niece just left and we had a great time. We went, my niece painted, so she painted those little ornaments that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Her and my daughter did, so they painted together, and I'll show you the ornaments after this clip. I need to get one of them hung on the tree. The other one's already on there. So they did some painting, and then we played upstairs for a little bit, and then we got Chick-fil-A, and then we actually ended up going through some really old photos from our childhood, which was crazy because I hadn't even gone through them myself. So anyways, we went through some of the photos, so that was really fun and nostalgic, and I'll show you guys some of me from the 80s, and I swear I look like I could be part of the Stranger Things cast. I could, and I think that I look like 11 in the photos. But anyways, I digress. So, so yeah, so I have no idea where the vlog really kind of how it's gonna look from an editing perspective, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. But let me go ahead and show you the ornaments. So here's one of them. I got this little painting thing from Dollar Tree. Came with a set of paints, but you only got red, yellow, and black, and then my daughter ended up making orange with the 2 colors there. So this was my daughter's, and then you can see where my niece kind of came into it. So it's really cute. And then I'll show you my niece's table. And my brother actually was putting together my barbecue grill, but it called for a socket wrench or something like that, which I don't have. So he's gonna be coming back over in the weekend, and he's gonna finish the grill for me. My niece played with these, which are, once I opened them up, I was just even more impressed by the quality of these, which are $1 from Dollar Tree, by the way. I mean, look at this one. It turns. Like, what? That's just crazy. So, my niece played with those, but here's her ornament. You guys, she is absolutely hilarious. It's Santa in his sleigh. Yeah, so anyways, I need to get, where's the little red thing? Oh, you know what? I might have thrown it away on accident. She also played with these, and those are from Dollar Tree as well. But yeah, I think I threw away the little string. Anyhow, so that's pretty much it for my day. I'm a little tired. I haven't even had a chance to kind of sit down and just unwind or relax in any way, shape, or form. But I had a really, really fun day. I am going to get this one closed. I have to, unfortunately, the way this is set up, I have to get on the couch to do it, but it's just temporary until Christmas is over. Also, my daughter's best friend stopped by and gave her a birthday present. It just arrived a little late. Oh, my daughter wants you to see it.
Oh, is it pointed towards me?
Yeah, there you go. You're on go.
Harry Styles. Come
Oh
on,
my
people.
God. Oh my God.
Come on, people. Who doesn't love him? Who doesn't?
Me.
Don't even try. You like some of his songs. You're like, ooh, who is this?
I
Ooh,
do.
who is
I do.
this?
Yeah.
He's good. Like, he's a good.
I helped her pick that out.
He's a good guy. And it's been 1 year since Fine Line was out, and a little promotion for my
Tell the
mom.
people who Harry Styles is.
Harry Styles is just a boy from Holmes Chapel, England. Who
Okay, we don't want his
went to
Wikipedia information.
an X Factor audition.
There
He
you
was
go.
in One Direction, and that was actually my first concert, the One Direction concert, where he lived.
We had awesome
We were on the
seats.
floor.
Yeah, we were on the floor. It was crazy.
For my first concert, it was the best
in San
experience
Antonio.
of my life.
Yeah.
Best experience of my life. We made a whole trip out of it.
Yeah.
I remember I was like with my friend, and I was like, wait for everyone kind of to like put their hands down. Like, not everyone's hands are up. Like, obviously people's hands are gonna be up, but I was like, wait for it. And then we like went like
He looked
this,
over
and
too,
he
right
was
at
like-
y'all. Yeah.
He was just like,
I remember that. Yeah, I remember that.
He's only 6 years older than me, ladies.
Oh my God, no one cares. Okay.
I said it here. I said it now.
Oh, she said it here. She said it now. Harry Styles every day. Meanwhile, we've got Star Trek Voyager on TV. That's what I feel like. I feel like this is just looking so pretty. I really have loved how this has turned out this year. Definitely a lot different from last year, so I've really been enjoying the space. Yeah, so anyways, I don't know. I feel like I'm just kind of like rambling now, but here's Loxie. Not sure if you got to see her today. Oh my gosh, you guys. So my brother was leaving, and we all walked, my daughter and I, we walked outside to say goodbye. And so we're, putting my niece in her car seat. We're just kind of like having like our, like finishing conversations and stuff. And then I say bye, and I come in the house, I lock the door, and I hear my brother knocking on the door again. And so I go to open it. He's like, do you need your dog? And Loxy walks in, had left her outside, didn't even know that she was out there. Oh my gosh, it was hilarious. I was like, yeah, I probably do need her. So, Loxy, and if he hadn't have seen her, Loxy doesn't run away. She would have just like sat at the door and like cried or scratched at the door. So, but anyways, there is that final story of the night. I'm gonna relax. I'm probably gonna do an fill in the words, which I found at Dollar Tree, because I have fill in the numbers. I know that's what my vlogs have come to on Vlogmas, is me talking about puzzle books with you guys. But this is the one you've been watching me work on, still obsessed. But then I found fill in words. So it's the same concept, but with words. It's not crossword, because you don't have to figure out what the word is. They give you the words, but you have to figure out, obviously, where in the boxes the words fit. I was going to show you guys some old 80s photos, so let's go. Here's this one, where we went on a trip to New Orleans. Look at my outfit. Tell me I don't look like 11, but with long hair. I don't know what I'm wearing. This is me in the Hansel and Gretel ballet, and that's me right there in the center. And my gingerbread. And do you know what's hilarious is, like, I love gingerbread decor, and there's me as a gingerbread doll. And here I am right there on the end. Look at that. Hey folks, if this isn't the most 80s photo you have ever seen in your life, I don't know what is, but look at my outfit. And this is my prom photo, in which I look okay. I still have that dress, by the way. It's in the closet.